sticking true to ourselves. We're still doing the date nights in the Bronco. Today we're going to the Estate for music, so come along. But before that, we're going to Lumpia Brothers. All right, this is a separate episode. We're gonna go into Lumpia Brothers, Filipino food, see what's up. Heard good things, been wanting to try it. So we're gonna take this, oh, they have acai bowls too. We're gonna take this food to Music at the Estate, so watch for that episode too. And we'll do a food review here on Lumpia Brothers Cafe, Island Bites. Exciting! You can go in first. Oh, look, they have like a little, oh, they must have music. Fun.
Hi there.
Smells good, nice and hot. We'll show you when we get to the event. Hope I can remember to make 2 separate episodes. I'm trying to focus on a date. This is what it looks like. Oh, remember they have cookies for sale here maybe too, but we got a dessert. So I'm gonna add this to both episodes. Looks good. I'm gonna add some of the sauce though. Tried everything. So as Bobby, we both gave it 2 thumbs up. Fantastic, huh? We'll go back. I'll just add soy to the rice next time, but I wouldn't change anything else other than it all spilt out in the bag and made a mess. But that must mean it's good, right? And this music is so wonderful and chill. It's perfect. I'm tapping out. I was able to eat less than half of it. Did you finish yours?
Yep.
He finished his. So something to eat tomorrow. Really, really good. Pelicans. These koi are absolutely beautiful. This estate is just so calming and gorgeous and kind of a step back in time and just really, really good. Really good evening. Great date night. Hope you guys enjoyed it too. Something a little different. tried the dessert. Bobby's already asleep. I'm gonna have my half now, though. Hee hee. She ever took into the picture. In fact, he had another wife at the time, or if he, this might even be prior to him having that wife. He moves around a lot, you know? Mm-hmm. So you got a guy from him. Did you guys actually have any type of conversation, or was it just... If I can't keep my head held high enough, I'll just be love and watch the smiles come. Thanks for watching. Bring my spirits up. Don't forget to stop and smell the flowers. There's some shit I like to fix, but I still know that I'm blessed.